Good morning, everyone. It is...
Miles.
Graham.
It's
the Miles Graham. Let's get the questions rocking and rolling. We got football practice today at 9 a.m., so we are on and off. Hugo's first on. Give us some questions. Miles and I are dying to answer some questions. This is our Sunday tradition. He's tired, ready for football practice. Me, I'm ready to have a great day. I think I'm going to go down to the turf club at Del Mar, where the turf meets the surf, with some neighbors. Should have a great day. It's 72 and sunny here in Southern California. We're going to pin up my email and my text number. So if you want to get my book, ebook, audiobook, or I will sign a book, send it to you. Pay for everything. Don't worry. I will ship it to you. David@dmeltzer.com. Joe, Dominic, good to see you as well. The questions are already rolling in here, Miles. Let's get these going. Here we go. What's that first question?
What are you most excited about in the terms of the NFL season? What are you
most excited about in this NFL season?
Justin Herbert, if he can do good again.
Do well.
Well, if he can do well. And
all right. We got a big week, Miles. We're going to Chicago. I'm keynoting with Mike Tyson. We're going to New York. We're going to do meetups in Chicago. So if you're in Chicago, come meet me. New York, come meet me. And Wednesday, we are opening our podcast studio and office at SoFi on Wednesday, our first day. All right, here we go. Next question, a little wrestling for you.
Who's winning, Cena or Reigns? I don't care.
You don't care? I think Cena's winning. He's my man. He can't do it. Nobody can. Wow, look at all these questions. Holy lamoly. What do we got there?
Favorite shows to watch together?
What's your favorite show to watch with me?
Well, you just watch what Mom watches.
What?
That's really just what I want to watch with Mom.
Okay, I watch football.
Oh, that's not a show.
Yeah, it is.
It's entertainment.
I watch ESPN.
That's not a show.
Mom doesn't watch that. Sports Center.
This is still not my favorite.
All right, so what's your favorite? Tell them.
What is it called?
I have no idea.
Goldbergs.
The Goldbergs. OSP is pumped. All right, we are pumped to be there on Friday, Saturday. Let's make it happen. They got a great lineup of people there. And always a pleasure to see Iron Mike Tyson and get to share a stage with the main man. And Amir, the heavyweight kickboxing champion, as well, as a stud.
You just...
Oh, I just hit that? What's going on with me? Am I getting old? What's going on? Let's see what this says.
Favorite sports to play or watch?
Or both.
Football and football.
Football and football here, too. We are undefeated and in agreement. Are you excited for the Chicago Cubs game? I am excited for the Cubs game. I can't wait to see the Cubs, White Sox, and you're going to be practicing football.
Well, the Cubs actually have no one, so...
Yeah, but the White Sox do. Favorite Olympic events to watch?
I don't watch the Olympics.
You don't watch the Olympics? I like basketball. Sorry, 3-on-3 is pretty good, too. All right, here we go. Will A-Rod win back-to-back NFL MVP?
No.
No?
No.
Nope, he won't. All right.
He's a baby.
He's a baby?
He's like the Karen of the NFL.
He's the Karen. That's funny. All right. What's your favorite video game, Miles?
I don't have
Get your Christmas list ready. It's Madden or it's baseball. I think he plays most baseball and collects cards, digital cards. Trenton is in the Olympics. All right, let's see what this is. Which team had the best MLB trade at the deadline?
The Dodgers. It doesn't matter if anyone else got more players. They had the best. They literally stole Max Scherzer, and they got Trey Turner.
What do you think is the hardest sport to play?
Baseball.
Baseball, not golf? Yeah. Golf's pretty tough.
No, baseball.
Who would win in ping pong match, me or you?
You.
Yes, I would. I'm the master of ping pong. Give me a ping, you give me a pong. Ping pong, P-I-N-G, P-O-N-G. What do you think about Devontae Adams' 99 Madden rating?
He deserves it.
Really?
Yeah.
What did Keenan Allen rate?
got a 92. Keenan does not deserve a 99.
Neither does Devontae Adams.
Yes, he does. He's like the best receiver in the league.
So that's a 98 if I ever heard it. Thank you for coming on our sports show. They should have the Miles Graham on the sports show. You should start becoming a guest on some of these sports shows. What do you think? No? Well, I love coming on the NR Hour. Those guys are a great show. Been around a long time. And, all right, let me keep these rocking here. Oh, this looks like a Tatis question.
Do you think Tatis needs to stop trying to... What? To stop trying to avoid shoulder injury?
Yeah, so did you just get the shoulder surgery and not keep missing games?
I think he should just wait for the end of the season, because then he'll miss more games.
Yeah, I agree. All right. Let's see. Mr. Lopez, good to see you.
He's on the 10-day.
Chico Lopez in the house. What do you guys know about the real American Pit Bull Terrier? What do you know about it? Nothing?
It's a Pit Bull Terrier.
Tell us, man. Come on, Chico. Let's make it happen. Tell us about the Pit Bull Terrier. All right. Let's keep these coming. What video games are you playing right now? Not good, huh?
I don't really care.
Here, you got to end our sports question.
Thoughts on answering Anthony Rizzo so far with the Yankees?
Disappointing at best?
No! What? Have you been watching the games?
Yeah, I've been watching. Have you been watching?
No, I feel like you haven't been watching. He hit 2 home runs in 2 games.
Yeah, but that's just 2 games, man. What about the whole season?
They just asked thoughts on Anthony Rizzo so far on the Yankees.
Oh, I get it. Here, this is a good one. How was the hibachi last night?
It was good. It was
good? Solid?
It was solid.
Did a 99 Madden ranking?
No.
What'd it get?
It gets like a 88.
88? That's pretty good. That was my first run at it. I'm going to get better. Top dog.
And that's not the same thing Madden rating.
It's not?
No.
They don't give Madden ratings for hibachi?
No, they give real ratings.
Real ratings, all right. Oh, we already did this one. Why do you keep picking the same questions?
It's you. You're the one.
All right, let's see. Here. Oh, this is good.
Are you disappointed the Padres missed out on Scherzer? Yeah, I think the guy just messed up because we did trade for a Nationals pitcher, but it wasn't Scherzer.
You think he just picked the wrong player?
Yeah.
Scherzer's too old. He's not worth it.
Yes, he is.
Not to give up all that talent. The Padres have to play for the future. They're not going to win this year, the World Series. They're going to go to the playoffs and lose.
Do you hear yourself? We're probably going to win it in like the next 5 years.
Yeah, but we need that talent to win it. We can't be trading away everybody for a 37-year-old halfway decent pitcher.
Yeah. But he's decent? Since when was he decent?
Halfway decent.
He's not halfway decent.
Yeah, he is.
He's way better than decent.
He's way better than decent? Oh, you like that one?
Who would you draft with the number 1 pick in the fantasy football draft? Well,
Don't tell him. That guy's in our league.
Oh.
Yeah, you can tell him.
Oh, yeah, but we have the first pick.
Do we?
Well, no, if we did.
Oh, if we did, right.
Yeah, so they can't
good
take
point.
it.
Good point.
So,
Yeah, what if we have like the 3rd pick and then they'll take it just because we won it?
no, I don't want. I'm just saying who people should.
Oh, tell them who. This is a prediction. Hey, look, Jake woke up. What's up, Jakey Bakey in the Miles Graham house?
Okay, I think you should take either McCaffrey. No.
McCaffrey?
Okay, no, Chubb McCaffrey.
Chubb? A running back? What? No, you got to take a receiver first.
What?
Yeah, Devontae Adams.
What?
99
Dude,
rating.
what?
You're going to be drafting for me. I'm on Miles' team fantasy. And,
He's dumb. He's so dumb.
He's going to pick everyone. So if we don't win the league, guess who's accountable?
I mean, if we made you draft, you would go 0-11.
No.
Yeah,
I almost won
you
one
want to
year.
draft a wide
I almost won one year.
Yeah, 1 year. 1 year.
I did. I almost did it.
Oh my gosh.
Here.
Who takes a receiver number 1?
Here's a real sports question. These guys are going to have you on your show.
Do you think Kawhi stays with the Clippers? Yeah, no.
No, yeah,
no,
maybe,
yeah.
Yeah, I think he should. Especially now the Lakers got our boy
Russell Westbrook's going to, hit bricks. He's going to miss in a brick.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
That's not a good thing.
If you were willing Oh, sorry. If you're writing a book, what would the name of it be?
Myles. No, Myles.
Miles Graham? Or just Miles?
You're Myles. Remember? I'm Dave.
Oh, my book would be Don't Do Business with Dicks. What would yours be?
Oh, no, Myles. I already picked mine.
No book?
Oh, I don't know. Well, what is the book genre?
What is the book's genre? Let us know, Jake, what the book's genre is.
I can't just write a book.
Can't just write a book. He needs to know the genre.
The genre.
What do you think is the hardest sport to play? Oh, why do I keep picking the same questions?
Because no one likes to ask us questions.
There's tons of questions in here.
There's like 0 questions.
Oh, come on. Where are these coming from? You're so crazy. Oh, you are so handsome.
Okay,
there you go.
Thoughts on Westbrook trade? It was okay.
Okay, I think it was a great trade. I think he fits into the system perfectly.
No, he does not.
He will enhance
I
all
feel
the
like
other
you
players.
don't watch sports.
Because I disagree with you.
No.
I've been in sports for years.
And you,
I'm a legend of
what
sports.
does that mean? You can't
I'm a sports executive.
You can watch the sports
No.
5 years ago.
I have all the inside info. I don't listen to the hype.
You can't say like 5.
I don't listen to the hype. I have the inside info. I have my own show on Sirius XM, Coach's Corner with David Meltzer. Every Saturday. I don't see Miles Graham railing around.
Yeah, every Sunday.
Yeah, that's right. It's going to get huge. All right, anyway, it's time to go to football practice. What do you say to everybody?
Bye.
What do you say to everybody? Hi, Laura.
And
Look, Husky Milady's here. Make sure you say hi to...
Okay, well, bye.
Say hi, Lori Burns.
Hi. Who's
Hi,
that?
Lori Burns.
Where do I see that?
Right here, Hussy Milady. Don't ask what the hussy means, just ask Milady. All right, go ahead, say.
Hi, Lori Burns.
All right, now what do we say when we leave?
Be kind to your future self and do good deeds.
That's right, everyone. You want my book, ebook, audiobook, go ahead. I'm going to pin it right below once again. It is david@dmeltzer.com. Ebook, audiobook. I'll sign a book, send it to you, ship it to you. Even on Sundays, we'll be working
6
here
feet tall.
to help and be of service to all. Be kind to your future self
And I'm
do
6 feet
good.
tall.
And he's 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
Be kind to your future self and do good deeds. Have a great weekend. Thanks.
No, I'm 6.